Dun 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 dun. Pew! It's a birthday. Turned 24 today. What's funny is I forgot I was 23 last year and I had told a few people that I was 22. So it's like I skipped over 23, which is kind of sad. Today's my birthday and Jay-Waz and I are starting off the morning with some coffee. And he got me these cute little balloons that says 42. For some reason they always kind of turn the wrong way. It's time for that party hat for Riley. Riley, sit. Good girl. Who's ready to party? You are. Yay! Does your hat scream fun? Your hat screams I'm a good time. You're so cute in your hat. Jay-Waz has his full grow outfit on.
Very nice.
You look very good in your party hat, Riley. If you guys missed the vlog that I put out on the 29th, I just got over some food poisoning. Like literally last night, I was throwing up all day yesterday and having some other situations happening that I don't want to say. So this is like really my first food since 2 days ago, basically. Okay, I don't know, it's honestly smaller than I pictured it, because when you were hiding in your closet, I was like, oh man, it's probably like... So then when you put this on the table, I was like, this is it! But I'm excited. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Great wrapping job.
Gosh, get away from me.
There's clean corners. What could it be? It's a box. And inside the box there was the real. What? Wait, did you give me something designer?
Don't look at that tag.
Wait, what's the tag say?
It just gives it away, so I want you to...
Oh my gosh. Wait, no. Wait, really? No! Wait, really? You got me a Chanel wallet. It's beautiful.
I know, right?
I'm crying. Thank you. Oh my god. Thanks, buddy. Okay, so I am doing my makeup, my birthday makeup, and I am setting my face with the Glossier powder. And then I'm gonna curl my hair and try to get my life together, because yesterday I was in bed all day looking like literally death. I was so pale and sickly. So making up for it today on my birthday. For bronzer, I'm using the Laura Mercier bronzer in shade 1. Look how pretty it is. What are you doing for your morning routine?
I'm gonna cut my toenails.
Cute. For highlight, I'm using the Becca Cosmetics in Opal. You can hear Jason cutting his toenails in the bathroom. It's fine. Look how pretty that is. Hannah Montana reference. I'm trying to do this kind of quickly because we got a late start and then we opened gifts, as you saw, and journaled. And now it's like basically noon and we haven't eaten, so Jay-Waz is hungry, so we're hurrying. Okay, so for eyes, I'm using the Sephora collection I Love palette, and this one is, I'll link it down below, but this is what I used for the Christmas vlog. This is the eyeshadow I was using. It's the perfect little sized palette. I should do like an actual tutorial, I just haven't gotten around to it yet. Also, just like a little hack for you guys, I've been using the Glossier bubble wrap all around my eyes when I moisturize and everything, and it helps the eyeshadow just apply a lot better. And for like a more dramatic look, I'm just gonna take my finger and put this kind of like glittery shade over. Also, I'm usually not this hunchy, but I'm trying to do it where you guys can see what I'm doing here. For mascara, we are going waterproof with the Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. Love this stuff. For my lips, I'm going to apply the Balm.com. And then I'm gonna go in with Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. I haven't used this lipstick very much, but it's this beautiful kind of nude color. That's my lip. So this is the final makeup look, and it's kind of like my everyday eye look, honestly. I love that palette though. It has some really, really pretty colors in it. But now I'm going to curl my hair and get dressed. I also have an entire video on how I curl my hair, so if you guys want to know like the step-by-steps, I do have a video for that. But we're just gonna time-lapse this thing because I'm not trying to make y'all sit through me curling my hair for too long. Texturing spray, which is the best. Adds a good amount of like volume and texture, obviously. This is the final makeup and hair. Feels so good to like put myself together after yesterday. Now I'm going to pick out my outfit. Alright, so this is the final look. I've got on my little Madewell sweater and a Missouri chain. Hair, makeup done. Got these kind of like, I think they're called paper bag pants, which would be accurate because they're pretty baggy. And then I've got on my Docs that JWaz got me for Christmas. So I know you guys are gonna ask to see the wallet up close, because that little iPhone video that JWaz took was just an emotional time for me. So this is the wallet. So this is what it looks like. It has the Chanel logo on there. The back of it is that quilted as well. And then you open it up and it has that beautiful like classic maroon Chanel color. And it has a bunch of pockets. So it's nice. It can fit my phone actually and like a passport. So it's perfect. We are getting a little birthday lunch at Proper Bagel, which is right across from Belmont, which is where we attended college. So like little throwback memes, but this was my birthday request. Looks so good. It is raining, but that will not stop us from golfing it up at
some balls, baby.
the Top Golf. I've always wanted to do this and we didn't go last year, so we're doing it this year. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Who's ready for a lit night? Hey! We love it. We're getting ready to golf at our little table right here.
All right, Chloe's gonna go first here at the Top Golf. Yeah, babe, you got this.
Hey, how are you doing now?
It's coming out.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Oh.
Good job, Chloe.
Yeah. Yeah, babe.
Hold on.
Arms straight. Back arm straight or front arm, I don't know. Gideon knows how to golf. Just hold on to the club. Just hit it really hard. Oh! Whoa! All right, we got an athlete. That's my wife. That was really great.
Spending all my nights on the dark side. Somebody help me find a way to get back home. I could cave in, but I'm waiting, holding on to a light that's fading, trying to find a place for all these ghosts I know. 'Cause the night feels long and my heart gets colder. Day by day I break away. I don't feel right in the daylight, spending all my nights on the dark side. Somebody help me find a way to get back home. That's waiting. Somebody help me find a way, help me find a way to get back home.
Oh my gosh, we got
Ooh,
fudge.
hello.
That's honestly the good stuff.
Oh, it's the
dude.
best
Eat like
part.
that.
Did Jay always tell you to get that?
Oh yeah.
You the best.
Not my first time.
And then look at this.
Doing this.
It's a full roll.
I wonder how they like created this. Like that doesn't even compute. Did they just like roll it over the ice cream, or did they carve like a cylinder of
Lots
ice
of
cream?
questions here.
Took an ice cream carton and they ripped off the
I don't know.
paper. So
Do you
it's
want
like
flat or you
a
want
cylinder.
Yeah.
And then they just packed it.
Squeeze it out.
You do it.
Pat on the cake.
Perfect.
Today you are 6.
Beautifully placed, Malia.
Bop, bop, bop.
This is very violent.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Wow.
You're 24, but it seems like you're 6.
Happy
Birthday
Okay.
to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Tired.
Rock and roll!
So it is officially no longer my birthday. Everybody just left. We did cake, ice cream cake from Baskin Robbins, which is my favorite. Basically, this last year has been one of the best years ever. I honestly feel like when I was journaling this morning, I was looking back on 23, and I think it's like one of the first years where I really haven't had any like complaints, I guess. And honestly, like just this last year was really, really special, and it was such a good year of growth personally and in our marriage. I feel like we both grew a lot individually, and I grew so much. I just remember when I was 22, which is not that long ago, not really feeling like I knew who I was or like who God like made me to be, and I guess just kind of lost. I don't know, I was looking at like a lot of different places for like that affirmation of am I where I'm supposed to be and am I who I'm supposed to be, and like looking at all these different things that I thought would like tell me what I wanted to hear. And like honestly, I feel like this past year the Lord has really revealed to me that I am made the way that God wanted me to be made, and that I am loved because he loves me, and like I don't have to like earn that or like figure that out for myself. And so that's been really cool, and I just feel like honestly like that transformation in my heart has just overflowed into all aspects of my life, and especially our marriage. We definitely hit some rough patches that first year when I was just like going through a lot, but then just this kind of last year has been so special for us. I don't know, I just feel like I'm in a totally different mental place than I was this time last year, and so it's really cool to like look back and I don't know, just see a really joyful, fruitful year for us. And I just wanted to share that. We're gonna go ahead and end this vlog here since my birthday is technically over, and so it's this birthday vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and it's just been really special to share this last year with you guys here on YouTube. And I am excited for future videos and what 24 looks like. So if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and stick around. I'd love to have you back for some more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.